Now to the latest on the devastating flooding in the Ohio Valley. Rising rivers in Kentucky have forced people in several cities to evacuate. Severe weather has killed at least 24 people since last week, 5 of them in Kentucky.
A flood disaster swelling overnight as rising water overwhelms southern and midwestern communities.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little different from the kind of content I normally produce here. See, we recently had some major